Hey guys, welcome to the 29th video in this tutorial series on structured query language. In this video I will be dealing with the alter table statement. Now the alter table statement has three applications. First of all, it can be used to add a column in a table. Secondly, it can be used to delete a column from a table. And finally, it can be used to modify a column in terms of its data type or constraint. You can change the data type of that column, you can add a constant to that column, or you can change the existing constant for that column. Okay, now let's see the syntax for each of them one by one. For adding a column, the syntax is alter table, then table name, add column name, data type. For deleting a column, the syntax is alter table, table name, drop column name. And for modifying the column, the syntax is alter table, table name, modify column name, new data type and constraint. So let's see how this alter table statement works in the MySQL environment. Now this was the employee table. I want to add a column in this table. So for that, the statement or the query will be alter table, then table name employee, then add, then column name. I want to add the column sex, so sex, then data type is varchar and the size will be, let's say, 10. Okay, now my column has been added. Let's check it out whether the column has been added or not. So DESC, then table name is employee. See, my column has been added. Now basically the default value is null. Okay, so the column has been added. Now let's check it out whether the drop option, the drop application for the alter table statement works in the SQL environment or not. So for that, the syntax is alter table, then table name is employee, then drop. Let's say I want to delete the newly added column, that is sex. So let's see. Then again I have to write this DESC employee. See that the column has been deleted. Now next we want to modify the data type of the salary column. So modify, first of all alter table, then table name is employee, then modify, then column name is salary, then the new data type that I want to enter, and let it be long. Okay, or let it be double, and then I want to enter a constraint in that salary column, that is unique. Sorry, unique can't be given because the salary column has duplicate records, so let it be not null. Okay, so let's check it out whether it has been done or not. See, the data type for the salary column has been changed to double, and the default value, that is the null column, the value for the null column for salary field is no. that is it cannot have any null value. Okay, so this was the altered table statement. It's very easy and very interesting. So this was all for with this video, guys. Thank you. Stay tuned to my channel for my upcoming videos in this series. Thank you.